Right. So where we left off, we're talking about how do you talk about size with negative numbers. And the rule is going to be like this. Our number line now has 0, 1, 2, 3, and -1, -2, -3. And this goes off to include infinite positive numbers. This includes infinite negative numbers. So how do we compare these? Because we'll compare numbers. We'll say that 3 is bigger than 2. What about negatives? Well, the way we deal with which number is bigger than the other, we think in terms of left to right. The smaller is always on the left, and the larger is always on the right. Now this works. 3 is on the right of 2. 3 is bigger than 2. 1 is to the right of 0, so 1's bigger than 0. So we're familiar with maybe making this kind of a statement. 2 is less than 3. 0 is less than 1. So what about negatives? Well, the same rule works, but we might get some results that are unfamiliar. -1 is to the right of -2. So that means we're going to get this simply because -1 is to the right. Or because 1 is way to the right compared to -3, we're going to get something like that. Or 0 is to the right of -2, we'll get something like that. So the way we deal with, well, which number is larger, the number that's on the right on our number line is always the larger line, or a larger number rather, and that's it. So any questions about that, let me know.